Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fill a text with an image in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Then go to Insert and insert a text box. Here, let's type something. Now select the text box and go to and change the font of the text. Let's select this one, for example, and now change the size. Now go to Format and click on Shape Fill. Here, select Picture and choose to add or to insert a picture from your files or from or to add an online picture or from icons. I don't have a picture in my computer, so I will just insert an online picture. Select a picture. Let's select this one, for example. Then click on Insert. So here, the picture was inserted inside of the text box and not the text itself. So let's undo these changes by clicking on this icon. Now let's go back to Home and select the text. Right-click on it and click on Format Shape. Here, select Text Options and click on Text Fill. Then select Picture or Texture Fill. And here, insert a picture from your files, clipboard or online. I will select an online picture. Then click on Insert. And that's it. Now you know how to fill text with image in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.